All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing another daily dash. I'm back from Dallas, went for a few days. It's kind of it was like the first time I got on a vacation that had nothing to do with business, because I always am traveling, so I never really find the need to go and just travel. But then I saw that Texas was open, so I went to Texas. Kind of wasted a bunch of money and kind of feel a little bit bad about my spending. And now I'm going to try to be as responsible as I possibly can. But in the last few days, we did book a show. So for this week, I'm going to be losing 5 pounds. And so I actually just weighed in at about 169, almost 170 pounds this morning. So I'm going to lose 5 pounds because I will be performing. And I generally perform much better when I have a lower fat percentage. And right now it's probably a little bit higher because I've been trying to basically bulk up for the last, like, I don't know, 2 or 3 months or so. In December I cut down to 155, and then for the past few months I went back up to about 170 pounds, and I've just been kind of trying to get as big as possible. But we're going to be going back down and try to weigh in around 163. I think about 163 pounds is like my prime weight where I perform at my absolute best. So we're going to be trying to drop about 5 pounds. So today this is one of the rare times that you guys are going to see the vlog the same day that I film it. So today is, today's Monday? No, Tuesday. Today's Tuesday. I'm going to film this vlog and upload it later, and so you'll see it on the same day. But normally I don't do that. I try to stay one day ahead, so you guys are usually seeing me from the day before. But today, a lot of controversy yesterday on like the live stream, and I don't know, I don't think I'm going to be doing too much more of this like controversy kind of like decline now, posting my opinions and stuff. Like, my thing is, like, I'm always trying to make dashing as convenient as possible, and they are trying to make as much money on Doordash as possible. I personally don't agree. I mean, yeah, you should try to make as much money as possible when it's convenient, but I am a firm believer that making money in multiple sources of income is a better way to go. And I've been pretty vocal that I used Doordash to raise money for my businesses and pay off my bills while I was starting, because I didn't want to take money from shoe sales and other things and spend that money. I wanted it to continue to recycle through the business, and it worked. So I don't think that my strategies are wrong. Again, like, there's a lot of people commenting saying I don't even know what I'm doing on Doordash. I'll be totally honest with you guys. I'm going to show you how much I make on Doordash, and don't be surprised, it's not very much. Like I've said, I mostly do the daily dash. I do a few orders a day, and whenever it's convenient, and if I'm bored at night, I'll log on and do some more Doordash. So this week, all right, I'll just show you 2021. This is my earnings. I don't know if you can see that, actually. Hopefully you can see that. So first week of January, made $330. Second week I made $270. Third week I made $128. Fourth week I made $271. February all of February I made no more than $180 at best. And the first week of January I made $134. So if that's what you guys came here for the video, I'm going to probably label it like revealing my earnings, because I don't want you guys to think that I'm a master DoorDasher. I'm someone who does it when it's convenient. And like, for example, I'm on the way to the gym right now. It's about 10 a.m. I'm going to work out real quick, and as soon as my workout is over, I'm going to log in and try to get an order on the way back to my house. From then I will upload the video and all that, yada yada. So, never really claimed to be a hardcore DoorDasher or master of DoorDash, as the decline now people have been saying. I'd never claimed that I was the best dasher. I give you guys my tips and my honest opinions, and you guys should definitely watch other people. Like, I don't have all the best tips, and honestly, I don't really watch other DoorDashers, so I don't even have their tips in my head. I just have things that I've done and discovered on my own, and I just give you guys my honest opinion. I'm fully transparent about everything I do, I think transparency is very crucial, especially if I'm trying to help you guys out with your careers, money spendings, business stuff. I am very excited later though. I have a financial Zoom call meeting with a bunch of really high-end, not real estate, financial advisors in Las Vegas. So I'm super interested to see what they have to say. But I will definitely tell you guys after, give you guys all the best tips and stuff that I learned. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. So yeah, it's Monday or Tuesday. We're driving to the gym. Gonna get a quick workout in. And for those of you who are interested in how I'm going to lose 5 pounds, the only real changes that I make is I always intermittent fast until 2 o'clock. For the last couple months or so, I haven't really been doing intermittent fasting because I've been trying to put on muscle. So I've been trying to eat as much as possible, hence why I gained like 5 pounds. What I'm gonna do is intermittent fast. I'm only gonna drink coffee on the way to the gym. My coffee is black. There's nothing in there. Sometimes I'll drink pre-workout on the way to the gym. And then I'm going to get a quick cardio. And when I say cardio, I mean I'm going to work out every single muscle group, probably 2 sets of each, get my entire body pumping. That way I'm burning more calories. I don't touch the cardio machines or any of that stuff. I just try to do a full body workout. Then I'm not gonna eat until around 2 o'clock or so. I'll have a small meal, then I'll have a bigger meal, probably around 4 or 5 or so. And then I will go to the gym at 8, and then I'll have a really hard workout where I essentially try to burn off all the calories that I ate today. And that's it. That's all I'm gonna eat. That's how I'm gonna kind of shred off this 5 pounds. One thing that I will say that I am a master at, and you can disagree, but I do think that with over 10 years of being a personal trainer and professional athlete and essentially putting on weight and cutting weight for fun, just for fun, you know, just testing out all the diets, I would say that most of my tips on fitness and diet are going to be pretty accurate. And I do work with a lot of really, really top-notch athletes, so I get all of the best advice from them, their coaches, their nutritionists, their dietitians, all that. That's the one thing that I do really, really enjoy is fitness. So again, take everything with a grain of salt. Fitness is like such a diverse world on like how people think. Some people think the vegan diet's the way to go. Somehow they come up with science to back all that stuff. I don't, but you know, I just do what I think is honest and best, and I'll always give you guys my honest and best tips. So yeah, anyways, all right, we are pulling up to the gym in about 1 minute, so I'll get right back to you guys after the workout, and I'll let you guys know what kind of dash we're doing today. So we are logging in. Our login is not for another 15 minutes. It's in Green Valley, driving over to the Eastern EOS, because I think I'm gonna start going back to this one, but be right back. All right, just finished a quick workout, got an order. It's a very controversial order because it is $1 a mile. Maybe it's even more than, or it's less than $1 a mile, but it literally delivers exactly, literally delivers exactly back to where my house is. And pause. It literally delivers right next to where my house is. So we're going to take this order because I think I'm 6 miles away from my house right now, and I gotta drive back west 6 miles to my house either way. So this order is completely on the way, and it is solid $8, so I don't really care, you know, like, again, like, I just do whatever it's convenient, and that's what I recommend to people. Whatever's convenient for you guys. This order literally delivers like right next to my house, so $8. And like I said before, I gotta drive home, edit this vlog, and upload it because I'm doing that daily upload thing like I told you guys before. So I gotta get this video up real quick. But it's 10:46. I literally worked out for 20 minutes. That's usually how my morning workouts go. It's just a quick warm-up. It's not really a workout. I usually save like the actual heavy lifting and stuff for later. But I always think it's a really good idea. I mean, I know it's a good idea to work out first thing in the morning and just get all of your muscles like working a little bit, because then everything feels better. You feel more awake, you feel more alive, that's for sure. You just feel better about yourself if you've already at least gotten like a small workout in at the beginning of the day. And that's how I pretty much, I don't know, that's how I like to do my days. I've been doing the morning, like first thing in the morning workout for about, I want to say like 8 years or so. Ever since I worked at Gold's Gym, I used to wake up and my clients would want to be, it was the most annoying thing ever. I either had really old clients, like they were like 70s and 80s, and they wanted to work out at 5 and 6 in the morning, which was so annoying for me because I was like 23 years old at the time, and I had to be at Gold's Gym by 5 a.m. So I would have 5 and 6 a.m. clients, and then I would work out at 7 basically. And then I just got in the habit from doing it from then on. And then the most annoying thing was like, and then after that I had like young girl clients that wanted to work out with me, and they were like probably around the same age as me, but they wanted to work out at night like I wanted to, you know? And so I would either have 5 and 6 a.m. Well, I would usually have these, it was like Tuesday and Thursday, 5 and 6 a.m. and then 5 and 6 p.m. It was like the worst schedule you could ever have. But what I would do, because I was also working at Razor at the time, I would work out from, it would be 5 a.m., 6 a.m. clients, and then I would work out 7 to 8, and then I would leave from there and go to Razor, where I would work essentially my desk job, which is like 8-hour day. And yeah, but I was making really good money at this time, and this was when Uber first came out back in like 2013 or so. So after I would leave my job I would come back, do the 5 and 6 p.m. clients, and then I would come back and I would log in Uber right after I finished my last 2 clients' workouts, and then I would make like an extra $100 on Uber. And the only annoying thing about Uber when I was driving in LA was it would always end up taking me to downtown LA, and then I was like, I don't know, at the time like Uber wouldn't show you where you were delivering or taking them to until you pick them up, so you would just end up in pretty much downtown LA every single night. That was probably the most annoying part about Uber, which was kind of like Postmates when it first came around. They wouldn't tell you where you're delivering to, and I would always end up at the Strip. It was so annoying. But now fortunately we can see where the deliveries are taking us to, so we don't have to go to the Strip. That was so annoying. I can't believe I was doing that. Anyway, so we're driving up. We're picking up from, what is this place? Mackay's? No. This is Port of Subs. I declined about 5 orders because they were all going the opposite direction as my house, and I'm just trying to get something that's convenient on the way back. I don't really care how much it pays, but again, like, we're at least doing $1 a mile. I think this one was, here, I'll show you the screenshot. So this one was, hang on, I'll just insert the screenshot. I think it's like 7.8 miles or something for $8. But not bad, you know, as long as it's on the way of where I'm going anyways. So let me know in the comments down below. Question of the day: what did you guys work out today? Because you guys got to be on top of your fitness stuff. Fitness is crucial. I think fitness is the most important thing for overall health, your mind's health. You know, a lot of people have anxiety, and I believe that if you get a good workout in every single day, no matter what, it's gonna at least, I'm not gonna say it's gonna cure your anxiety, but it's gonna do a pretty good number on your anxiety. Just picked up the order from Port of Subs. Man, today is a very exciting day because we're in the process of casting for the show that we just booked, which is in Reno. So I'll be in Reno performing from April 20th through June 20th at least, and possibly throughout the entire summer. So I'll be there 4 days a week, and then probably driving back and forth from here and there. So yeah, it's always an exciting time when you actually get a show booked, for me especially, because obviously, like, if you have seen my intro, I have made a living as an acrobat slash extreme sports guy for the last 10 years or so, and it's like this last year, it was like it all disappeared, and it was like I almost forgot that I like essentially made a living as a performer. And now we booked a show, and it's doing BMX and tramp wall and all this other stuff. And then I'm still crossing my fingers for Six Flags. Six Flags hasn't officially confirmed, and like contracts haven't been signed, but I'm feeling pretty solid about it. And then we had that pumpkin patch. So it's like finally the world is coming back to normal. It's just a good day. Anyway, so yeah, last night was crazy on the man, like I don't know if any of you guys are in the Decline Now group, can someone send me a screenshot of the post that I know someone posted my video in that group, because in the last day I have 1,000 new views, and there's like probably a total of 100 new dislikes on one of my videos talking about Decline Now. So I'm assuming that one of my videos was posted in that group, because I don't know, at the same time I don't really care, because it's good publicity is bad publicity. Wait, no, bad publicity is good publicity, and like whatever, if I'm getting more views, it just, I don't know, if people don't agree with me, then you shouldn't watch me, you know? I'm here to entertain you guys and also try to give you my best tips and tricks as possible. And I'm not claiming to be an expert Doordasher or anything. I think that's pretty obvious. I barely do it, and I'm casual dashing. That's my thing, you know? I do it when it's convenient on the way. So, all right, we'll be right back after we drop off this order. Just dropped off the order that is going to complete today's daily dash. Sorry if it was a short and boring one, but I just got to get this uploaded today, so that way I stay on schedule. You know, when I commit to something, I'm fully committed, and I never come up short. I'm never going to give up or never going to take a day off or anything. So that's just how I always operate. I just like need to make sure that I get this video uploaded today. So thank you guys for tuning in. If you guys haven't yet, please consider subscribing, and we will see you guys in the next one. Also, just smash that like button. Just smash the like button real quick. All right, we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.